Hey guys, Mike Chen on this week's Costco review. Lumpia and smoked ham and Swiss cheese pockets. This bakery that supplies to Starbucks. So these are Baguio Lumpias. Baguio is a city in the Philippines. These are pork lumpias. Doesn't say how many comes in a container. It's 2.5 pounds. It looks like at least 40 of them in here. At first glance, these look pretty darn authentic. These things definitely pass the eye and the smell test. Nice and toasty on the outside. This is great. This thing tastes like the Philippines. Really crispy, airy wrapper. Pork filling is delicious. It's very porky, so if you don't like pork all that much, this might not be the one for you. I love it. And some of the best pork dishes in the world come from the Philippines. Be even better if I had some sweet and sour spicy dipping sauce. It's gonna add some sriracha on it. I think something a little sweet would have been better, but pretty good with sriracha. Wow, these are pretty darn addictive. I think these would have been great with some sweet and sour sauce. I just made a batch, but I ate it all. If you guys want the recipe to my sweet and sour sauce, I'll link it down below for you. But I think this and that, I think that would have been amazing with these. If you want a pretty authentic taste of Filipino food, grab these from Costco. Next thing we're gonna try, smoked ham and Swiss cheese pockets. And this is the company that supplies this product to Starbucks. I think this is gonna be pretty good. First impression, these are very flaky croissants. First bite, I already know this is a must get. Flaky croissant with toasty cheese on top. This is everything I love. A buttery croissant, toasty cheese, and I haven't even got to the ham with the melty cheese in the middle yet. I mean, what's not to love? It's got cheese in two of its most delicious forms, melty and toasty. Ham is delicious. I mean, you can't rely on this croissant at all. That's how flaky it is. I actually never got one of these at Starbucks, where I'm sure this is overpriced. And now, thanks to Costco, I never have to. So awesome. So 2 delicious food items from Costco, and I would give both a recommend. Try them out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, see you later.